Nonverbal Nuances. Mastering hand gestures and posture in self-introductions. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic: nonverbal communication. We will specifically focus on hand gestures and posture when introducing yourself. Remember, it's not only what you say but also how you say it and present yourself that makes a difference. Nonverbal communication can often speak louder than our words. They include facial expressions, body movements, gestures, eye contact, touch, and even our posture. In particular, hand gestures and posture are crucial when you're introducing yourself to someone for the first time. They convey your confidence, friendliness, and overall personality. Hand gestures can be a powerful tool to enhance your communication. But remember, they should always complement your speech, not distract from it. 1. Open hand gesture. An open hand gesture, palm facing up, signals honesty and openness. It can make your conversation feel friendly and inviting. 2. Pointing gesture. Be careful with this one. Pointing directly at someone can be seen as aggressive. However, subtly using a pointing gesture when discussing a particular point can be helpful. 3. Finger to thumb gesture. This gesture, where the thumb and index finger create a circle, is often used when discussing precise details or emphasizing a point. Your posture says a lot about your attitude and confidence. Here are a few tips to consider. 1. Stand, sit straight. A straight posture signifies confidence and shows you're engaged in the conversation. 2. Lean in slightly. When appropriate, leaning in slightly can show that you're actively listening and interested in the other person. 3. Face the other person. This shows that you're focused on the conversation. Remember, these gestures and postures should come out naturally. If they feel forced, it can make the interaction feel awkward. The key is to practice. Practice introducing yourself in front of a mirror, noting your gestures and postures. This way, it will come naturally when you're in a real conversation. And there you have it. By incorporating these nonverbal cues into your introductions, you're not just learning to speak English, but you're learning to communicate effectively and confidently. Remember, it's the subtle nuances that can often make a big difference. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this lesson was helpful, and we're excited to see you in our next one. Keep practicing, and as always, happy language learning.